Today I'm going to show you how to set up your own personal learning network using rebelmouse. So initially you're going to come up to your address bar and you're going to type in www.rebelmouse.com. It's going to take you to their homepage, and you'll probably need to sign up for your own account unless you just by chance have one already. You can sign up using Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Google, or Linked. I already have one that I've set up before using Twitter. So today I'm going to sign up for one using Google. So when you click Google, it's going to give you the sign in page. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to go over to sign up. And it's going to take you to this page that pops up in just a second. And as you can see, it's just like any other type of account. You just give them your information, type in their little code, and they're going to set you up with an account. So I'm going to go back. I'm going to do my Google account. I've already signed up. Now when you sign up with your Twitter or your Facebook or your Google account, if you've ever used that email to post something on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, YouTube, it will automatically post those items to your site. So when you sign up for the first time, or you sign in for the first time, don't be alarmed if you see a lot of your stuff pop up on the screen. It's just taking things that use that email address already and it's posting them on your Rebel site to kind of get you started. So we're going to pretend that this is my first time signing in. I'm going to accept. Just ask you if you want to post your basic information, add you to circles, and so forth. This is your actual rebelmouse page. Now, these are the things that have been posted using my Gmail account. So that's why there's already a couple of things there. This is your home page, and there are little kind of help tools set up for you. I don't really want this, so I'm going to get rid of it for a second. Go away. I'm going to go up to dashboard, and that's how I'm going to set up the content, everything that I want to be put on my rebelmouse. And you have different choices here. You can connect your Twitter, you can connect your Facebook page, you can connect Pinterest. Pinterest is down here, and all you have to do is just provide a link to your Pinterest page. If you have a Tumblr, you just provide the link to your Tumblr page, and it will automatically put everything that you add to those pages on your rebelmouse. The first thing you need to do, this is the post-it tool. You will need to drag it to your toolbar. Once you drag it to your toolbar, it'll ask you if you want to add it. You just say yes. I have two because I already use it for something else, but I just wanted to show you the process. Then you're going to go over to design, and you're going to choose how you want your page set up. So right now I have where it has the three big boxes. I'm going to do just one big box and a bunch of little boxes. And then I'm going to change the way that it looks. Notice that there's different fonts, there's different colors. So I'm just going to pick this second one that's black. And then I'm going to go back to the return page. There are other things here, but they're not really necessary for me to show you. They're things that you can do later if you choose to do those. I'm going to return to my front page, and you're going to notice it looks different since I have added the layout or changed the layout. Now, you can actually add tabs, and that will actually organize the information that you decide to put on your PLN. So I'm going to go over here. There is a little kind of grayish box where my cursor is. I'm going to click on that. And behind this bar, there's a tab that says Add a Rebel Page. So I'm going to add a Rebel page, and I'm going to name it. So the first one, I'm just going to say Web 2.0. You can add a description if you want. I don't think it's necessary. Then you have to decide whether you want it hidden or you want it for public. So I'm going to add public. And then you may want to say, I want it to open in a new window, and that way whenever you open a site, you won't have to go back to your Rebel page to get to it. it'll just open a new tab. Alright, then I'm going to add another Rebel page, and I'm going to put websites, maybe important websites. And again, I'm going to make it public. And then I'll add another, I'll just call it math. You can make any kind of tab that you want, whatever kind of page. I'm not sure why this is not. And then make it public. And then I'm going to save. And you can have as many tabs as you need. They may not always show, but if you have more than what will go on this bar, there'll be something over here that says more tools, and when you click on it, you'll be able to see the other tabs that you have. Now, you can actually take these items and you can edit them. And you can decide, hey, I want this to go over in important websites. And then when you do that, it will actually take it off the current page, which is the home page, and it will put it inside the tab that you have told it to go to. And the computer stopped. So let's go back. Okay. So now I'm going to open another tab, and I'm going to start looking for things to put inside my PLN. So I'm going to go to Google and just type in math tools for middle school. So here's Johnny's Middle School Math Interactive Math Tools. And you may decide, hey, I like this, I'm going to post it. So I'm going to go up here to my toolbar, and I'm going to drag my Rebel mouse post onto the page. When you do that, you're going to notice a box pops up. You can choose to post it without an image, and basically it'll just have the name of the page. Or you can post it with the image that they provide. Sometimes they give you images, sometimes they don't. So I'm going to use this little cute calculator pencil thing. Then I'm going to say I want it in the math folder right here. And then I'm just going to add the post. If I want to change the way it looks, or if I want to add anything to it, I can do that by choosing these tabs. And then when I click post, it's going to tell me that it's there. So then when I go back and look at it, when I click on math, you should see a post of the page that I just showed you. So Johnny's Middle School Math Interactive. Alright, then I'm going to go back to Google. And I'm going to type using Web 2.0 in the classroom. So here the first choice is integrating Web 2.0 into the classroom. It's an article. Could really help people learn how to use Web 2.0 if they don't already know how to do that, and what it would tell them what it is. So I'm going to take my Rebel mouse post tool. There isn't really a picture, so I'm just going to post it without an image. I'm going to put it in Web 2.0. Now, I may also decide to put it as an important website. You can choose to put it in 2 different places. You don't have to just put it on one page. You can put it on every page if you feel it's important. Then I can also add a picture if I want to go in and get a picture to put in there, then that's fine. If you want to add a video to go with it, you can do that, or you can just leave it and it'll just say in the box integrating Web 2.0, and you'll click post. Will tell you it's published, and then you'll go through And on Web 2.0, you're going to see a box with that same article included inside of it. And there we have it. You may also want to go up to your dashboard just to make sure that everything is set up the way it needs to be set up. Everything looks like it should be. You may want to launch your site, and your site name could just be whatever you create. It could be the exact same site that you're already, your email address that you're already using. Tells me that's not available. So maybe we'll try with an underscore instead. So my site name is now rebelmouse.com with Smith_Marty. And then you just launch it. You don't have to go through that process if you don't want to, though. So now, when I go to rebelmouse.com/Smith_Marty, it should pull up my page. So if you want to share your page, this is how you would share your page with people. And it's as easy as that.